here, Ambi. Why don't you tell us a little bit about your place?
So yeah, okay. So I had two places, like I had one in Adach and one in Vesu, and then I was like tired of traveling here and there, so we decided to open like one place, which is like in the center, and then I wanted it to be like grand and dramatic and big, so I wanted all of it to be very aesthetic and pleasing. So yeah, this is what we've created, like a little space for ourselves that's cozy and cute.
Yeah, we can definitely see it, that it's super aesthetic and super grand as well.
Yeah.
So, is this a cafe?
Yeah, so we didn't want our clients to get bored. They have to sit for like 3-4 hours in a day with us. So we wanted them to have some refreshments.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, I forgot to ask if you guys want some tea.
That would be great. We are always up for some tea. You know? Some Samara tea would be great.
Yep.
Nice tea.
Thank you. Alright, I'll show you guys the hair studio. So this is where we do all the hair magic. So as you can see, like we have our wash station there, and then this is where we work and stuff like that. So yeah, when we thought of taking the place, it had a lot of ups and downs and building problems and stuff like that. Not to be like very sassy about it, but yeah, so the main reason when we went for it was because of the view. Guys, let me show you to the bridal area, which is like my favorite area. Hi. So I'll show you my, this is the bridal area 1, and this is my, like a very cozy area because you can obviously close it out like that. And then we have a very beautiful swing here, which I love because even if it's a little uncomfortable, I don't mind just sitting here and chilling and like swinging around, adoring my bride here, or the bridesmaid can sit here and like have a gossip with her friend when she's getting ready and shit like that.
Yeah, like very nicely thought through, Ambi.
Yeah, we wanted every little aspect to have like a meaning and yet be very aesthetic. So this is the bridal area too, and I have a little corner behind there to hide from people and then speak to whoever I want from.
Oh my god!
This is like my secret spot where I don't want to be seen by anyone.
Now it's out.
Now it's out. Bad choice. Yeah.
Who are these little guests out there?
They are my little babies, and yeah, Mishi, Body.
They're asleep. Mommy, let me sleep.
Don't disturb us.
So they are here generally to cheer up your clients?
Yes, they're very tiny right now, so that is why we have to keep them around for a while. But yeah, once they get a little older, we might still have them. But yeah. So this is where all the selfies and all the pictures get taken. This is especially for my brides or my clients who want to click in aesthetic.
Right. So do you want to stand there and give us the goodbye, Yes.
Don't you want to join it?
I have a broken foot. But
it's okay.
nevertheless,
Come.
I'm wearing one shoe. But yeah. So Ambi, that was really nice having the tour with you. And we have loved this space the very first day we walked into it.
Yeah.
Because everything is so thought through. And we wanted you to share this with us, and with our audience as well. Did you have fun?
Absolutely. Anytime with you.
Now we have a podcast to shoot.
Done. Let's
So
go.
please.